page 40, number 74. This problem gives you 6 equations and 6 graphs to match up to. The first equation is y equals 2 to the power of x minus 1. This negative 1 tells you that the graph cannot have a y-intercept at the origin because it moves everything up 1, meaning it can't be graph 2. And the format of this equation shows you it's exponential, meaning it cannot be any of these other 4 graphs, leaving it to be graph 3. The second problem is y equals negative x squared plus 2x plus 8. This plus 8 tells you that the y-intercept will be at 8, meaning it can't be any of these 5 graphs, meaning it can only be graph 1. Another way to look at it is this negative in front of the x squared means that the parabola will open downwards, also leaving it to be graph 1. C is y equals the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 4. This is in a parabola format, so you know it can't be graph 2, graph 3, or graph 5. Also, to find intercepts, you take these two values, the 2 and the negative 4, and multiply by negative 1, giving you the y-intercepts of negative 2 and 4, meaning it can't be graph 6. And because there is no negative in front of the x, that means the parabola is positive and opens upwards, meaning it has to be graph 4. The final equation is y equals 2 to the power of x. Because there's no value after this, that means the y-intercept has to be at the origin, because this is the same as saying 2 to the power of x plus 0. So it can't be graph 1, graph 3, graph 4, or graph 5. Also, because of this format, we know that it's exponential, meaning that it cannot be graph 6, leaving it to be graph 2. The next equation is y is equal to 2x squared. Once again, since there's no value behind this, it's the same as saying plus 0. So the origin is the y-intercept, meaning it can't be graph 1, graph 3, graph 4, or graph 5. Also, because of this format, it is a parabola, meaning that it can't be graph 2, leaving it to be graph 6. The final equation is 25 is equal to x squared plus y squared. Because of this x squared plus y squared format equal to this, you know that it must be this circular format. And also another way to look at it is it's not in a parabola format or in the format of an exponential, so it must be graph 5.